Doğal Hayat Clinic was founded in 2008 by Dr. Suat Arasan and Dr. Turgay Çınar. Doğal Hayat, which pioneered the practice of traditional therapies for the first time in Turkey and supported its experience in this field with scientific studies, has stepped into Europe and founded its Dutch branch office in 2020. Doğal Hayat, which provides service with its expert staff in the fields of traditional treatments, bioresonance, skin care, slimming, and regional thinning, also evaluates these subjects with a holistic approach. Stress level, heavy metal accumulation, allergens, intestinal flora, bacteria, viruses, in short, all the details that may cause the disease are determined by the physicians. In our clinic, joint diseases, rheumatism, calcification, waist and neck hernia, knee pain, migraine, fibromyalgia, anxiety, pain complaints, eye diseases, metabolic problems, weight problems such as eczema, skin diseases, psoriasis, allergens, substance addiction and immune system disease, traditional methods such as ozone therapy, medical leech therapy, cupping, prolotherapy, neural therapy, PRP, osteopathy, acupuncture and bioresonance are applied from functional point of view. We also attach importance to your mental health with applications of psychology and psychotherapy and hypnotherapy. Our expert team, working under the name of Doğal Hayat in Turkey and Natural Life in the Netherlands, is always with you in regaining and protecting your health. For health, natural choice.